If you want to eject SIM tray on POCO F8 Ultra, what you need to do is you need to take a look at the bottom of the phone where we can find the SIM tray, which is over here. There's also this SIM tray hole, and we will need to use the SIM eject tool that we can find inside the box, and we need to put it into this SIM tray hole. So we're gonna put it in. There we go, and once it is in, you need to use a little bit of force in order to push it into the phone so that the SIM tray pops out. Once it pops out, you can use your fingernails or fingers in order to completely remove it from the phone. There we go. And this is how it looks like. We have SIM card slot number 1. On the reverse, we have SIM card slot number 2. Now we're gonna insert our SIM cards. We just have to match the shape. It is really easy. Just put it in. Do the same thing on the reverse side if you want to insert the second SIM card as well. Make sure that the both cards are actually fully inserted. They don't stick out or anything like that. And after that, we can just put it back into the phone and just slide it in, push it down with your finger and make sure that it is fully in and it doesn't stick out too. So that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.